Worldwide Fund, Ministry of Water and Environment, NEMA na n'abembezi babana batongoza hensharo z'Ebisharara cy'Orunyere hekiro kushangwa muri Ndeija mu district ya Rwampara. Abantu bandeija bashabwa kurinda obuhangwa obu barukora mu bintu ebiri kurinda Ebisharara.
Ya government ya Uganda yenda kutongozaho umurimo wo kudimaka demarcations z'Ebisharara cya Orunyere. Twavugaho saa kilometers urwo mufunjo batapera zizi kandi shaba abantu bamunyere pera zizi gumeho muri ngo protectinga ako protecting environment.
Caroline Wagaba w'ekitongole cya Worldwide Fund yaraganisa kubehireyo kuyamba abantu abarukutura emyanya kubekwatene n'Ebisharara okurebeka ngo bakora emirimo eri kubasa kubatungura.
Itwenka WWF Uganda tukwataniza n'abapartners bitu abandi tubire tukore emirimo enkeji omu myanya mingi omu Uganda no muri river Rizi catchment tituri kukora kibale yonkaha konka tukore emirimo emindi tubire muri Kachigani tubire muri Mbarara district twine emirimo yo turukora the same ebintu nke biturukora aha kudemarcating Ebisharara kandi tukatraininga abaturage abataka omunjere bari kubasa kuba nibe sustainingamu kandi bari kuconserving.
Stephen Emor wa Ministry of Water and Environment yashaba batako kurwanisa bikorwa hebero kushisha obuhangwa okuligera kubata hensharezi.
First of all, they have to join hands and change the practices, because we have been telling them that there are a number of sustainable activities they can do. There are materials that come out from this wetland that they can be used in mulching in their agricultural fields upstream. But also we can do apiary, we can also do fishing, which are sustainable enterprises within this wetland.
Posiyano kwasiwe wa National Management Authority yashabembezo kwatanisa bakarenda obuhangwa ngwabo kubo kurenda obuhangwa tumwoga gwa NEMA yonka.
Itagira mu NEMA yitari yana Ebisharara tugende tusyo because abantu baza district local government ya Rwampara ino bujnani goku ukuwerawerana n'ebindi bitongole by'ubuhangwa so numwe ngo abato muri tuya kwatanisa tikaho by'ubuhangwa kugira ngo abana turatari n'cyakare bashange cyangwa byiturire.
Chairman wa Murago erukushangwa muri Ndeija Kabagambe James yaraganisa kurwana nabo abararenja hansharo.
Simira abanema kugira ngo bateraho ensharo tuzabugezaho kugira ngo twagwana nabo abarabindi barenga ahansharo bakaza mu wetra tuzabugezaho tubikunme ahakuba tubatabikunmire nabwo turaganyigwe.
Chairman w'entebe ya gatano ahabwa Rwampara wo mugasho Richard yashaba abanya-Uganda okundi ihanga lyabo barukurabira mu kurinda by'obuhangwa na munonga Ebisharara.
Common sense is just common sense. A patriotic Ugandan, somebody who loves his country. Wajira mu kundi ihanga lyabo nabwo nabo tafukundi ihanga lyabo mwene rwayi mwana mutitwali kwatutwali tuna tukunda Uganda, we love our country. But how do you love your country and go and destroy the environment? Umutoka destroying the environment na watakundi hanga.
Gasha kwa Olivia Kamsime aha wa Sky TV agenshonga.